How to add base to MetaMask Wallet. Adding base to your MetaMask Wallet allows you to manage this token directly within your wallet, and here are the steps needed to add base. The first step is to open your MetaMask Wallet, just like I have done here, and this is the manual method. All right. So after opening your MetaMask Wallet, you can see details about the wallet. Move to the top left corner of your wallet and then click on the network option. And so you can see the networks available here. Since you are trying to add base, the next thing to do is to click on add network, and then you can just decide to search out base here. All right. Okay. Since you cannot see the one that stands for base, you can just type out base main net and then click on search. These are the ones available. So let's go back, click on the network, click on add network, and then you can see the base mainnet here. All right, so just go ahead and click on add, and then you see you want to add this network, etc. Click on approve. All right, and then just like that, your base mainnet will be added to your MetaMask. So if you want to switch to it, you can decide to switch, and then you wait for it. Then click on got it, and then just like that, your base mainnet has been added to your MetaMask wallet, and then you can just go ahead and explore your base based decentralized application. You can use it to trade tokens and even participate in the base ecosystem. Thanks for watching and have a good day.